Welcome to iContentsPro. This short video was designed to help you navigate the mobile app. The mobile app is where you will take pictures and log content data in the field. It's also where you can track your content claim projects through the iContentsPro process. Here is the iContentsPro dashboard, or mobile app home screen. This is where you navigate around the app and track all of your content claim projects. It looks identical to the iContentsPro web app. At the top of the home screen, you will find a notifications icon and add a new project button. You will receive notifications anytime a project status changes, including when a project was submitted for processing or if a report is ready for your review. Clicking the back arrow or home button at the bottom returns you to the main dashboard. You can quickly search for anything in the search bar, including an insured name, claim number, or a city, for example. The dashboard boxes give you a summary of the status for all your projects. The box on the left is called Photo Contents, or those projects in the content photo capturing and inventory gathering phase. The iContents Processing box are projects you've completed capturing the inventory for, and you've submitted to iContentsPro AI for processing. The Review Report box are those projects iContentsPro has completed processing and a full report is ready for your review. The Report Completed box are those projects you are completely finished and closed out. The Unassigned Insured box are those clients that are assigned to you and need your attention to start a project. The icons or buttons at the bottom of the screen will help you quickly navigate around the app. If you get lost, simply click on the Home button and you'll end up here. The Insured button is where you'll find all of your insured clients and their details. You can add a new client here. The Professional button is where you'll find all your team members. If you have the iContentsPro Plus or Enterprise plan, you will see all your team members here. We can see that we have Demo 2 part of my team, and we are waiting on Demo 3 and Demo 4 to accept my invite. Need to send an invite? Simply click the plus button, enter their email address, and generate an invite code and send an invite. They will receive an email and code to join your iContentsPro account. If you ever need to delete a team member, you would do it here too. The Projects button shows all your projects you are working on, regardless of their status, and you can quickly use the search bar and find anyone if needed. The last button on the navigation bar is your profile. It shows all of your account details, including your plan and company details. This completes our video, and we appreciate your time.